Welcome students. In this video we study expression for acceleration A, velocity V and displacement x of a particle performing SHM by solving its differential equation, that is by calculus method. First we study expression for acceleration A of a particle performing SHM. For that, we use the differential equation of linear SHM as d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Therefore, d2x upon dt square is equal to minus omega square x. Equation number 2. ओमेगा स्क्वेअर एक्स ही टर्म RHSला घेतल्यानंतर निगेटिव्ह चिन्ह येईल. हिअर इन इक्वेशन 2 d2x upon dt square is equal to a, that is acceleration of a body. Substitute d2x upon dt square is equal to a in equation 2, then we get acceleration of a SHM a is equal to minus omega square x. Equation 3. This equation 3 gives the expression for acceleration of a particle performing SHM. In equation 3, omega is constant angular velocity. Omega square is equal to k upon m, which is equal to constant, and therefore acceleration is directly proportional to minus x. Magnitude of acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement from mean position, and the negative sign shows that the direction of acceleration and displacement are opposite to each other. Then next, expression for velocity v of a particle performing SHM by using differential equation. Again, we know differential equation of linear SHM is d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Therefore, d2x upon dt square is equal to minus omega square x. Equation number 2. Here d2x upon dt square is acceleration, and we have to obtain expression for velocity, and therefore we write acceleration in terms of velocity. Acceleration d2x upon dt square is also equal to dv by dt, and therefore substitute d2x upon dt square is equal to dv by dt, and therefore equation 2 becomes dv by dt is equal to minus omega square x. Then multiplying and dividing by dx to LHS of equation 3, we get dv by dt into dx upon dx is equal to minus omega square x. Then interchanging the terms in the numerator, गुणाकार हा क्रमनिरपेक्ष आहे, म्हणजे अंशस्थानी डी व्ही इंटू डी एक्स आहे, त्याच्याऐवजी डी एक्स इंटू डी व्ही घेतलं तर आपणाला पुढची स्टेप मिळेल डी एक्स अपॉन डी टी इंटू डी व्ही बाय डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू मायनस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर एक्स. हिअर सबस्टिट्यूट डी एक्स अपॉन डी टी इज इक्वल टू व्ही, and therefore we get v into dv by dx is equal to minus omega square x. Therefore, rearranging the terms, we get v into dv is equal to minus omega square x dx. Equation number 4. Then integrating both sides of equation 4, we get integration of v into dv is equal to integration of minus omega square x dx. Then to solve this integration, we use the formula of integration as integration of constant k into x raised to n dx is equal to, आता इंटिग्रेशनमध्ये कॉन्स्टंट असेल तर तो इंटिग्रेशनच्या बाहेर येईल, म्हणजे k इंटू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स रेज टू एन डी एक्स. आणि इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स रेज टू एन डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू k into x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Using this formula, here integration of v into dv, v raised to 1, therefore v raised to 1 plus 1, that is v raised to 2 divided by 2 is equal to, आता या ठिकाणी मायनस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर कॉन्स्टंट ते ॲज इट इज इंटिग्रेशनच्या बाहेर मायनस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर, आणि इंटिग्रेशनमध्ये फक्त एक्स डी एक्स, आणि त्याचं इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स डी एक्सची किंमत आहे एक्स रेज टू 2 डिवायडेड बाय 2, म्हणून आर एच एसचं इंटिग्रेशन आलं मायनस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर x square upon 2 plus c. Equation number 5. Here c is the constant of integration. Then value of c in equation 5 can be obtained by using conditions or values of x and v at extreme position. एक्स्ट्रीम पोजिशन, राईट एक्स्ट्रीम पोजिशन आर किंवा लेफ्ट एक्स्ट्रीम पोजिशन एल. ॲट एक्स्ट्रीम पोजिशन द बॉडी स्टॉप्स मोमेंटरीली and therefore at extreme position velocity v becomes equal to 0. Also at extreme position the displacement x is maximum. Displacement x from mean position is maximum, and this maximum displacement we denote by letter A. Therefore x is equal to A, that is maximum, and this maximum displacement capital A is called as the amplitude of SHM. Therefore at extreme position values substituting v is equal to 0 and x is equal to capital A in equation 5, we get v is equal to 0. Therefore LHS becomes equal to 0 is equal to minus omega square x ऐवजी या ठिकाणी a सबस्टिट्यूट करून minus omega square a square divided by 2 plus c as it is. And therefore from this c is equal to omega square a square upon 2. Equation number 6. From equation 6 substitute this value of c in equation 5, then we get equation 5 becomes v square upon 2 is equal to minus omega square x square upon 2 plus c ऐवजी omega square a square upon 2. Then solving this equation we obtain formula for V. First, 2 cancels on both sides and we get V square is equal to minus omega square x square plus omega square a square. Therefore, V square is equal to, taking omega square common, omega square into bracket a square minus x square. Then taking square root on both sides, we get V is equal to plus or minus omega root into bracket capital A square minus x square. Equation number 7. This equation 7 gives the expression for velocity of a particle of SHM at a displacement x. In equation 7, omega is constant, maximum displacement capital A is constant for a given motion, and therefore velocity of a particle depends upon the displacement x, and velocity is proportional to root a square minus x square, and therefore as displacement x increases, the velocity decreases. Then expression for displacement we study in next video. Thank you.